Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Today I have a little hair tutorial and probably you can't see much because I have this black shirt on. Should I change it? Hold on. Alrighty, much better now. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these braided ponytails using braiding hair because this is not my hair. If you know me, you know that I have like three hairs. So this is not my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. As you can see, this one is falling apart because I did a poor job, but I'm going to fix it and I'm going to show you guys how I made it look like on this side. Okay, as you can see, we are bringing back the 19s, and honestly I'm here for it. For some of the trends, some of them, they definitely need to remain in the 19s because girl, no, this one keeps falling apart and I need to redo it right now. But if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Vera and I post a lot of beauty tutorials, and if you guys like what you see, hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video on my channel. And let's just jump into it. I'm going to take off my rings. So as I said, we are bringing back the 19s trends, and honestly I'm here for some of them. Some of them, they definitely need to remain in the 19s because honestly this makes me so sad, but I don't have the body anymore to wear low rise jeans. As I said, it makes me so sad. I used to love that trend. Like even in the winter I would be like with my belly out in the winter. Like in Romania it gets so cold during the winter, like freezing cold, but I would be with my belly out, okay, because I was a fashionista. Yeah, definitely not, but yeah, I used to love that trend. Now I don't have the body. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Okay, so this is my braid. I bought last year, I think I bought some braiding hairs because I wanted to try that jasmine hairstyle, like the bubble, I forgot the name. Anyway, so I did a little braid, as you can see, and since I don't have enough hair to do it with my hair, I'm going to attach the braid right there. Okay, so let me just fix a little bit this because it looks kinda sad. Also, having long nails is so annoying because oh my goodness, this is such a struggle. Okay, so all you need is some hair ties, some bobby pins, and a lot of hair. As I said, since I don't have enough hair to do the braids with my own hair, I'm going to attach some braiding hairs. But if you guys have enough hair to do this hairstyle with your own hair, I'm so jealous. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. So I don't know why, but it was so much easier for me to do this braid. I struggled a lot on this side, and honestly I don't know why. I'm not a lefty, I don't know, but it was so much easier for me to do this braid, and as you can see, it turned out so freaking beautiful. Let's just struggle some more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little loop from my ponytail and I'm going to insert the braid through this loop right here. Okay, so it looks just like this. Make sure it's on top, not under the ponytail. And next I'm going to twist my own hair and wrap it around the hair tie and the braid. I'm running out of air, I don't know why. And make sure you make it very tight. As I said, make sure the braid is on top of your ponytail, like on top, not under. Do you understand? Hope so. So the braid must be on top. Next I'm going to twist my own hair and twist it around Fuck, you can't see, I'm sorry. I wanted to bring you closer so you can see better, but you can see. Sure. So what I'm going to do is just hold this very tight and keep twisting it around the braid in the hair tie, and make sure you hide that little piece from the braid with your hair, okay? Wow, why do my eyes hurt? So it looks something like this. Okay, it doesn't look bad, but you can see the little elastics from the braid. So let's see if we can hide that. Oof, I don't know. I mean, it looks okay, but I just lost the piece. I'm not an expert, as you can see. Next, I'm going to take some bobby pins and clip the hair that we just twisted around. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Oh, doesn't look that bad. Let's see if we can fix it without doing it again. But I need a little bit more hair to kind of cover this. Right? Just a little bit more. Please work. Definitely not. Someone please come do this braid. Like, how did I do this? It looks so freaking good. Like, you guys see that? That's the bobby pin. But it looks so freaking good. How did I do that? How? This is annoying. Okay, let's try again. The braid is in there. You just need to stay on top. What is that? Like something like that? Just something like that. Help. You guys, what is going on? I thought I can do this. Okay, I think we are getting there. Let's pin this hair. Oh, that hurts. Alrighty. Let's see. Cool. Yeah, definitely they don't look the same. I'm not looking for perfection, but this is not like, this is my own hair. Okay. What's wrong here? They definitely look very similar, not identical. Don't get me wrong, they are not identical. Should I just hairspray this down and call it a day? Or should I just put another pin in there? Like, this one is perfection, okay? This one is like rebellious. No, definitely that doesn't work, and you can totally see the pin. Listen, hair, I'm not here to ask you to work for me, okay? You must obey me, because I'm the boss. Okay, listen, if you don't work, I have another solution. I think that's the best is going to get for me today, because this is getting annoying. Not bad. Listen. I think it looks pretty good, if I say so myself. So I guess that was it for today. Honestly, I do really like this hairstyle. I don't know how much I can have these little braids on because my hair starts to hurt. Not my hair, my scalp. Wow. Just imagine adding two huge pom-poms or puffs, whatever they are called, to here and two at the end. Heidi who? So I used to wear this hairstyle a lot in kindergarten, maybe first grade, I don't even know. I used to hate them, but now I'm kind of into it. Like, they're cute. The fun. Yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Bye.